How do you do, teacher? And respect to the tutor company. I am appreciated to the company that let me introduce my background. My name is Chai Kem. I am from Takao province, but now I'm living at Chiang Rai, in Phnom Penh. I was a student at BBU, that stands for Bilbrai University, near Riverside, and I'm graduated bachelor degree of teaching methodology in English. I'm in 2011 and 2012. I'm a quick learner with strong basic and a positive attitude, and I'm motivated, adaptable, and ready to share my knowledge to the student. I will teach English to them with quality and staying discipline, clarity, ethic, consistency. Especially, I'm brave, punctual, honest, and reliable. Furthermore, I follow the rule that company needs provides to me. I think I taught over 10 years after I graduated. So I have practical knowledge and training exposure. Absolutely, teaching is my priority in my life. Therefore, I've always prepare well lesson plan and set the time priority to my student. Finally, I would like to thank company, teachers, everyone watching my video. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.